Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Can you believe we're on day 6 of my Let's Color March Happy 2022? Seems like time is flying by. I just wanted to say a couple things today. First, I know that I'm showing 2 images here. I'm only coloring one today and come back tomorrow and I'll show the other one. I just thought it would be better to have them in separate videos so I could keep the colors straight. I also wanted to point out that I know that it's very difficult to see the caps of the markers that I use. I have always held the marker cap in my hand for, I don't know, the last 9-10 years that I've been coloring with Copics, so it's really hard for me to remember to put them into the frame of the camera. Plus, I know that there's a glare. My eyes are old and I have to have lots of light on, but I did want to mention that it is always listed below in the description box. So if you're ever curious about what colors I used, those are in the description box. I'm sorry that it's not as easy as maybe other people when they color. This is just the way it is for me, and that's just what I can do. I'm trying to be more conscientious and make sure that they're there, but again, it is habit from many, many years that I hold them in my hand, and I'm sorry that there's a glare. All right, I will let you continue to watch and listen to some music, and I'll be back tomorrow with the other coloring of the other little girl. And this, I did want to mention, this stamp set is from a company that is no longer in business, sadly. All right, have a fabulous day, and until my next video, get crafty.